So taking a look at the Canadian market, manufacturing industry is still all in the red. However, it's showing a 14% loss on the year. It's up slightly from last week. Consumer goods and services, we have four companies that are showing gains. We've got Saputo, Molson Coors, Metro, and Loblaw that are all showing gains. So we've got an average of -7% on the year for consumer goods and services. In finance, finance is still in the red, down 21% on the year. Resource and commodities, this is our strong sector right now, up 17%. Utilities also fairly strong. We've got some in the red, but most are strongly in the green, and utilities are showing an average of 1%. So the Canadian market overall is down 8% on the stocks that we're watching. So switching over to the US market, manufacturing and industry is down 16%, closely mirroring the Canadian market. We've got some strong We've got some green gains here. We have Raytheon up 4%. We have IBM at 7%. Genuine Auto Parts is breaking even from the year, and Archer Daniels Midland is up 5%. Consumer goods and services. We've got five in the green. We have a large gain with McKesson at 27%. So the average of consumer goods and services is -6%. Finance in the US mirrors Canada, and we are down 24%, and all of our finance are in the red, hoping for strong gains or stronger gains next week. Resources and commodities break even. The average is 0%. So we've got Alcoa at -18% is pulling down our gains with Newmont and Chevron. Utilities down 8% overall. The only one that's showing green is Ameren, which is breaking even. So the US market is down 13% on the year. So going to our fantasy portfolios, we'll take a look at our $5,000 portfolio. We are showing $5,055 this week, which is up $32 from last week. And we only have a loss now of $28 on the year. No change to dividend income in our $5,000 portfolio. It's still paying out $187.44 a year. A $10,000 portfolio is showing -2%, so no change on the average from last week. However, our total is 99.15, which is up $83 from last week, and which is actually now up $79 on the year. Our $25,000 portfolio is unchanged from last week at -4%. Our total is down slightly at 23,869. So that's $145 loss from last week and $991 loss on the year. Not too bad. Our dividend income for the $25,000 portfolio is unchanged so far and still paying out $718.52 annually. Our $100,000 portfolio has actually gained a percentage point this week. We are down 8% on the year, which is up from -9% last week. So our $100,000 portfolio now has a value of $90,415, which is a gain of $1,507 from last week for an overall loss of $8,142. Dividends are still unchanged in the $100,000 portfolio, paying out 2,462.57 on the year. So I've already checked the markets for today and they're already looking strong. So let's hope for a little bit more gains next week. And check in with me next week in July. I believe it's July 4th. And we'll see how we're doing then.